Morning. My roll number is 19951 AO5N5, and my name is NV Koushik. I'm from CSC D, and the subject is about information security. Let's begin. Biometric authentication technology, and the contents that are there in this PPT are three main types of authentication available today. What is a biometric? Its characteristics: biometric authentication process, fingerprint recognition systems, vein recognition systems, signature verification process, application area of biometrics, advantages of biometrics, disadvantages of biometrics, and conclusion. Okay, let's start. Three main types of authentication available today, that are sometimes we have to get a password, pin, or a code. Sometimes some things you have like token or a key, something you are, which is a biometric. Biometric are authentications. Authentication depends on what you have, what you know, and what you are. Let's move on. What is a biometric? In simple terms, biometrics are automatic methods of identifying a person or verifying the identity of a person based on the physiological or behavioral characteristics. In most definitive terms, real time tools available today. And this can be combined with other tools to form more secure and easier to use verification solutions. Recognizes individual indefinitely. Okay, and let's move on. Characteristics. The most common characteristics are fingerprints and face, retina, iris, vein, and hand and finger geometries. Okay. The most common characteristics of biometrics are behavioral characteristics, that are keystroke dynamics, voice, gait, and signature dynamics. And biometric authentication process. It starts with acquisition, creating of master characteristics, and again storaging the master characteristics, and again comes the acquisitions part and comparing, and the last process is decision making. Uh, okay, let's move on. Fingerprint recognition steps. It starts from an activity where you place a finger on a technology, you call it, where the machine just identifies your finger, scans it, and take out your fingerprints and transfer it to the database. This is as simple as that. And yeah, face recognition process. You input face images using a camera, and the camera extracts the face images, and it extracts the face features, and those features are sent to the database where it is stored, and it is then be computed. And yes, iris